It's gonna be all shaky and it won't.
All right, here's Evan's birthday present.
No, I'm not recording it.
Here, I'm recording it.
I'm not recording it. Mom, can I use you as a stand? Can I use you as
I'm recording it.
stand? And then... You want me to start it? Hey guys, we're back with another video. And
This isn't recording.
I am.
I can record it for you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is my first unboxing video. So leave a link into the description and subscribe to me and like this video. I hope you enjoy.
Is this your birthday present?
Yes.
Here, let's take a quick video of just the box. Let's zoom in on this guy. Blast. Did Daddy really? Hold on, let me see that price tag real quick. We might have to have a discussion with your father. Yeah, Daddy's in trouble.
Dad, why did you turn it off?
Okay, all right, go ahead and open your, this is your birthday present, your one and only birthday present, besides your GoPro.
Look, Evan, you started a hole in the middle, remember? But I want to open it neatly.
No, but this is just plastic wrap.
Okay. Where's the hole?
Maddie, you're not gonna open it while you're on.
No, where's the hole?
Maddie.
Where's the hole?
Open it.
I know.
Maddie, now can you help him?
No, because that's just going to
Maddie.
Oh, I found one. Oh.
How excited are you right now?
Very excited.
How did you talk Daddy into buying this for you? Is this why you insist on going shopping without Mommy?
Yeah. Don't.
Be gentle.
This can probably kill you. Evan, you can flip it over and like this.
Do you want a little help?
No.
Okay. Oh, you got it.
It's heavy.
It's heavy? Can I see how heavy it is?
It's heavy.
Well, for $150, it better
No, times
have
40.
149.
That.
Yeah, it's pretty
You want me
beefy.
to hold that for you? Oh.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Yeah. Let your sister work with you.
Traxxas is like #1 company.
Trax, is that who
It's
built
like-
it? Traxxas?
It's like the #1 company in the world.
Oh, and I think you watched their video on YouTube,
There.
right?
Wait. This is.
How excited are you right now?
Wait, it's like pop it, whatever it's.
And you watched their reviews on YouTube?
Yeah.
How fast does this go?
Probably like 24 or 15.
15 miles per hour, I think it
It's
said.
probably 24 or 15.
Well, that's a pretty big difference. Can we see the engine? Yeah. Is that the motor?
Yeah.
The prop?
Mom.
Yeah. Are those your instructions? What are those pieces over there in the plastic?
This.
Yeah, what's that? Oh, that's the display, the little display thing.
Put it on.
The stand, the display stand. Yeah, you need that.
How do you open this?
Hand it to your sister. She can help you. Maddie is helpful, right, Maddie? Maddie's the best sister
Not
ever.
helpful.
And she's got the prettiest hair.
Yeah. You're mean, by the way.
I would be nice since she's helping you.
Now, here, Evan. So I think I know how to do this. I know how to do this. I was just trying to help
Let's go ahead and see. Should be interesting. Are you sure about that?
Yes, it goes like this.
Yeah, actually, I think you might have it right. We have 2 smart little children in the family. Now you better take very good care of this.
I will, anyways.
I don't even.
Yeah, don't force
I
that.
don't even know how you open it.
Okay. Okay, now display it.
This is like bad.
So I guess part 2 of this video will be its
Driving.
maiden voyage into the water. You know what we have to do for a maiden voyage on your first boat ride? You have to get a bottle of champagne and you have to break it over the bow.
Why?
That's tradition.
Why?
When you get a new boat on the first maiden voyage, you break a bottle of champagne. I even have mini bottle. Maddie, go grab those little bottles over there. Go grab one.
Oh my god. No way, I'm not pouring it on my boat. Yes, you are. No, I'm not.
Here, let me see that real quick. Here, sure. Look, we even have a mini bottle of champagne
No.
to break over the bow.
It did not come with this. By the way, it did not come with it. Did.
But that is tradition. You break a bottle of champagne over the bow of your boat
Stop it.
on its maiden voyage.
Ah.
Yeah, I totally will. Be careful.
Open it. Oh. It's
Awesome.
like the cap just open.
It's a Ziploc bag. You can't manage a
You
Ziploc
never
bag.
want me to help you with anything.
Be nice.
Any more things?
Is that it? So we just have to figure out how to charge this puppy up.
Where's this? Smells like chemicals.
Okay, Evan, so the next video will be the maiden voyage after we christen your boats. All
Don't open this. Because you could lose them. I can open this.
right. Do you want to say goodbye to your people?
The video, I don't want the video to end right now.
Okay.
Wait.
Here, I'll put it on the stand.
Right there. To get this tape off. Dad, it even comes with a stand. Dad, it comes with a stand.
That's good.
Yeah, there's something in there. I tried. It's
How's
like
the
a,
poly feel?
it's
Good?
like
It's heavy.
a
I
charger.
mean, it's really, come over here and
It's
lift it up.
very heavy.
Here, check it out. I mean, it feels like you spent $150 on it,
Yep.
which we're going to have to talk about later.
But where's the battery?
Here, Evan, lift that up. Lift that.
Where's
I
the
mean,
battery?
it's pretty heavy duty.
Where's
Yeah.
It's inside Evan.
Why can I not get this?
the? Oh my gosh.
Daddy broke it. Here, let your sister put it back together. Gosh, Dad.
Is it heavy?
Does the cookie dough stuff stay in the freezer or
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Right.
What section did you buy it in? The refrigerator section.
Yes.
Okay, then.
Evan, can I break this in half? No. Why? Because what if I want to return it?
Why would you return your new boat?
already opened it. I can return it. I can return it in 30 days because they only said that.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yes, they did.
That's only
Evan,
if it's
you want it.
unopened.
Oh,
Wait.
so I can crack this.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. Daddy. I'm about to do it.
Maddie, don't upset your brother. Okay, so we're going to stop for now.
Where's the battery?
We'll figure that out. Say goodbye to your subscribers, Evan.